Hi everyone, it's Aaron here from Pi Supply, and as you can see, I'm wearing a really fetching surgical mask. You can see we're in a massive room full of 3D printers. We're at the Dartford NHS supply chain hub, where all of these printers are printing face shields like this to provide to doctors and nurses on the front line. These are paired with a visor and an elastic band here so they can sit on the head snugly like that. There's about 130 3D printers you can see in the background, 100 of which are currently active and about 30 which need calibration and setting up. There's a further 70 3D printers coming in the next few days, which will bring the total to 200. The yield from 200 3D printers is somewhere in the region of 1,500 to 2,000 of these every day. There's also a crowd-funded, crowd-sourced campaign called 3dcrowd.uk, where over 600 people are using the 3D printers that they've got in their homes, in their offices, for a good cause. The yield from those 600 plus printers is approximately 4,000 of these every day. Those will then be brought here, where they'll be paired with a visor and an elastic strap, and then they'll be sent out to the front line to where they're needed. You may have heard that there's a massive shortage of PPE in the NHS at the moment, and that's putting the lives of our doctors and nurses at risk. This initiative is just one of the amazing things the NHS is doing to try and solve that problem as quickly as possible, to save lives and to stop the spread of this deadly virus. We hope to be able to get some footage soon of these being used on the front line in hospitals by doctors, nurses and other frontline staff, and we'll share that with you as soon as we have it.